Crafting a compelling thesis statement. Hello, learners! Today, we're diving into a vital component of academic writing, creating a clear thesis statement. Having a strong thesis is the cornerstone of a well-organized and coherent essay. Let's explore what it is and how to craft one effectively. A thesis statement is a single sentence, often found at the end of the introduction, that clearly states the main point or argument of your essay. Think of it as the heart of your essay. Everything else in your writing revolves around this statement. 1. Focus. A good thesis provides direction for your essay. It tells the reader what to expect and what to look for. 2. Structure. Your thesis organizes your thoughts and arguments. Each paragraph in the body of your essay should relate back to and support your thesis. 3. Argument. In academic writing, you are often making an argument or presenting a viewpoint. The thesis articulates what that argument is and why the reader should care. 1. Specific. A thesis shouldn't be too broad. It needs to be specific enough that it can be fully addressed in your essay. 2. Arguable. A good thesis will often present an argument. It shouldn't state a fact that everyone agrees on, but something that could be debated. 3. Clear. Your thesis should be straightforward and understandable. Avoid complex language or jargon. 4. Relevant. It should be pertinent to the topic at hand and not an unrelated or side argument. 5. Positional. It should clearly indicate your position on the topic. 1. Start broad, then narrow down. Begin with a general statement about your topic, and then refine it to be more specific based on your research and understanding. 2. Make it debatable. If someone can't potentially argue against your thesis, it might be too factual or obvious. Challenge yourself. 3. Seek feedback. Share your thesis with peers, instructors, or mentors. Getting a fresh perspective can help you fine-tune it. 4. Revise. As you dive deeper into your research, you might find that your thesis needs tweaking. That's okay. A thesis can evolve. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of thesis statements. Remember, a well-crafted thesis is the foundation of your academic essay. By giving it the attention it deserves, you'll set yourself up for writing success. We hope you found this video enlightening and wish you the best in your academic writing endeavors.